Hello, my name is Tommy Brown, and I will be the instructor for this lesson. The lesson we'll be instructing today is how to place a patient in full spinal immobilization. The primary goal of this lesson is to teach the technique for placing a patient in full spinal immobilization, including a cervical collar and long spine board. The cognitive objectives is at the conclusion of this lesson, the student should be able to 1. List the equipment needed to place a patient in full spinal immobilization, and 2. To define the following components of spinal immobilization, which are C-collar, which is cervical collar, long spine board, head blocks, and restraints. The psychomotor objectives are as follows. At the conclusion of this lesson, the student should be able to demonstrate 1. Taking control of the cervical spine, 2. Placing the patient on a long spine board, and 3. Securing the patient to the long spine board. The affective objective is at the conclusion of this lesson, the student should be able to explain the need for control of spinal movement and the negative outcomes if not properly maintained. The recommended list of equipment is as follows: audiovisual projection equipment, a cervical collar, a long spine board with straps, head blocks and tape, and personnel to assist with spinal mobilization. Our recommended schedule for today will be from 8 to 8:45. There'll be a video presentation placing a patient in full spinal mobilization. 8:45 to 9 o'clock, we will have a break. From 9 o'clock to 9:30, there will be a lecture on the different types of cervical collars and long spine boards. From 9:30 to 9:45, there will be a break. From 9:45 to 12 o'clock, we will have skills practice, where students will pair off and practice placing each other in full spinal immobilization, including C-collar and securing the patient to the backboard. From 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, we'll have lunch. From 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, we'll have skills practice continued. From 2 o'clock to 2:15, there will be a break. From 2:15 to 4 o'clock, we will have skills evaluations. The skills demonstration on placing a person in full spinal restriction will be demonstrated at the end of the lecture and will be completed by each student. If there's any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.